お友達なんかは家も全部壊れて、でお風呂に私の家に来て、でその時に人の助け合いということでものすごく皆さんが助け合ってるっていうことが私には良かったかなっていうのがものすごくいい印象だったと思います。これから自分がもっとそういう経験になった時にもっと人の役に立ちたいということがものすごく自分でそういうふうに思ったかなと思いますね。
School started again 10 days after the earthquake, and everybody had to pull together, and we had a sense of community. We opened school, we had school in spite of all of the difficulties with transportation and with bathrooms not having any water, and so we saw how people can live with much less than they normally do. We had to cooperate and pull together, and you actually got a better sense of community as a result.
I would not have made this company if it wasn't for the earthquake. With the earthquake, when you lose everything, you realize that your fear of failure goes away. The positive side is the basic belief in humanity, in people. Whatever happens, an earthquake brings people together and it brings out the worst and the best in people. And I think in Japan, when the earthquake came, there was something about the Kobe community which came together and we united as we all faced the same calamity. We all faced the same natural disaster.
And the way the community and city came out of the entire experience of the earthquake, I think Kobe will always be a symbol of strength and resilience.